What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to switch between your different basket sizes in your portafilter on the Ninja Luxe Café. So this one comes with a single shot, a double shot, and a Luxe quad shot, that bad boy. Here is your portafilter right here. So to install these, you just line up this tab or any tab with the proper size cutout, and they literally snap in like that. And it's a tight fit because you don't want this to come out, but in order to get this out, you literally squeeze and pull it out just like that. So to show you real quick, those snap in like that, and then it takes some force. But that's why another tip, I suggest putting the force on the widest tab here. If you try to pull it on like that thin tab, it's just hard to grip that. So grab the widest one and pull it right out, and we'll put that quad shot bad boy on there. Fits like that. Now you're ready to get caffeinated. That one comes right out. Let's say you're feeling pretty mild, you just need a single shot. Boom, good to go, okay? And that's how you switch them. One other thing to note is, so once you have your correct shot in there and you're like, I don't need these anymore, a really cool feature is the Ninja Luxe Café comes with a storage closet for your basket sizes. Boom, they're put away and you are good to go. Watch the next video if you want to see how to start grinding your coffee.